in this video, we are going to learn about scalar multiplication of matrices. Here with me are pre-cut papers for our brackets and our magnetic numbers. In doing scalar multiplication, we are just going to multiply each entry in the matrix by the scalar or the single number, regardless of the order of the matrix. Let's take a look at this one. I have here scalar 3 and matrix A, a 3 by 1 matrix. Now, the rule, we will just multiply the scalar to each of our entry. Now, we multiply 3 to our first entry, which is A sub 1, 1. 3 times 5 is 15. So we write or put the number 15 in our product A sub 1, 1. Next, we have 3 times 1. 1 is in the entry of A sub 2, 1. 3 times 1 is 3. And lastly, using the scalar 3 multiplied by A sub 3, 1, which is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So in our product, that is the same order of the matrix as what we have in our factor. Proceeding to our next example, we have here scalar 2 and matrix A, a 3 by 2 matrix. Following the same principle as what we have earlier, we will just multiply the scalar to each entry of the matrix. Now, we multiply 2 to A sub 1, 1, which is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Next, scalar multiplied by A sub 1, 2. We have 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Next, scalar 2 multiplied by A sub 2, 1, which is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Scalar 2 multiplied by A sub 2, 2, which is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Next, scalar 2 multiplied by A sub 3, 2, which is also 2. 2 times 2 is 4. And last, 2 times A sub 2, 3, or 2 times A sub 3, 2 is also 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So therefore, that's how we get our product. I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.